Hello Femix, Salmon Chef here. Let me take you back to the island of Samoa. Let's go to Taumeasina Resort and try out their omelette. And yes, we do omelette in the island. Yes, you got kokofola, the omelette at Taumeasina. Let's go Taumeasina. Yeah, our ingredients, we got eggs, we got vegetables, we got onions, we got bacon, and also we got cheese. Alrighty, let's fire it up. Oil in first. Yeah, so we make the onions in. Let's caramelize those onions, and then we put our veggies. We got capsicum, carrots, and also some mushroom. Also, we add some bacon. Let's add our bacon in, and remember, don't overcook it. Say, I want to overvela lemang. Yes, stir it up, and now we put our eggs in. Remember, so we need to beat them eggs bad. Alright, we put our eggs in, and the whole idea is we don't overcook them eggs. Alright, we take that frying pan out of the bloody fire. Move like a. Normally we flip our eggs when it's cooked on one side, but today we're not flipping it. Alright, we're gonna go halfway. We're gonna go half flip, so it's gonna turn into like a half moon pie. You know how when we eat the half moon pie? Just like that, okay? So now we add our cheese, and that cheese will hold on all the flavor and all our spices in our omelette. Alright, let's get ready to flip. And it's a halfway flip. Let's turn it to a half moon pie, and that's a Taumeasina style of omelette. Let's go. Let's get ready to serve right now. Oh my goodness. Look at that omelette, and that's Taumeasina style. So next time you visit Samoa, just shoot down to Taumeasina and check that omelette out. Let's go.